So, welcome to my clinic, welcome to Germany.
Thank you, Dr. Weber. Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure, yes. I'm lecturing about laser all over the world, and I have many students coming to my clinic, and I'm collaborating with many producers of devices. You have seen there are different branches in the clinic. So you have some experience with laser therapy, with light therapy on your own.
Yes. It's a new, well, we have it in Manila, in the Philippines, just recently, like last year only. So it's very new to us. That's why I'm here. I want to take more lessons from you. And I've seen one of your patients who underwent surgery from spinal stenosis, and that was really amazing because now she's able to walk. And her maintenance laser therapy is only like once every 2 months, so that's really amazing. You know, you give hope to people who underwent medical care, Western medicine, who were not given any hope anymore, and still you managed to make her walk without pain or minimal pain. So that's really amazing. That's why I'm here in Germany to take this short course with you, to be one of your residents for a couple of days. And thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much. Yeah, this is the terrific thing about low-level laser therapy, or using the power of light. It's not only replacement of metal needle from TCM point of view, but laser has so huge potentials. It enhances repair mechanisms. It enhances micro and macro circulation. It enhances lymphatic drainage. And 100 different genes are stimulated on repair level. So we really have a cellular effect of the laser, and even in things like, as you mentioned, the lady with the operated spinal canal stenosis, it's outstanding time and again. Yes, exactly. What's your main purpose, or what's your main task with the laser? Do you have any specific field you work on, or?
Well, I'm anesthesiologist. So back home I put patients to sleep or alleviate them of their pain before surgical procedures or even post-operatively. And I also had training in Beijing for acupuncture. And yeah, I recently listened to one of your lectures in Thailand, and you combine laser therapy also with alternative Chinese traditional medicine, which is very nice. So you potentiate also the meridian points plus the laser, so that one gives you a more evolved result. No? It's not only through needles that you cure, you also use the laser therapy. So that's very, very good, especially for those patients who had surgical procedures along the meridian lines, which is very important because, as you know, both of us were trained in traditional Chinese medicines. And the fact that if you have a surgical scar there, already blocks the qi, which is the energy innately in the human body. And it's very, very important to repair that for a proper resolution and proper unblockage of the qi.
So you really talk from my heart. This is my main idea about my treatments, about my lecturing, uniting the treasures of Chinese medicine with a modern Western approach for the benefit of our patients. And yes, the treatment of the meridians, not only treating of acupuncture points, which are powerful, but using the meridians and deblock stagnations in the meridians is really a very important part of my treatment ideas. Yes.
I like the way you treat patients because you go deeper. No? You don't only resolve the symptom, you resolve what is the underlying cause of the symptom, which is very important. And I think most of our doctors nowadays miss on, because well, I'm a Western doctor, so I can speak for myself. I initially was trained to treat symptoms. It's symptomatic cure. So I was misled, no, in some instances, to just treat that. But now, after pursuing more research and education, I have noticed that we should be really treating the patient from the cause itself. Where it started, how it started, And we should also treat the patients on how to resolve their own blockage of chi or energy, not only taking a pill. So it's a holistic approach altogether.
Yes, this is very important. It's a holistic approach, and by this you pass away from only treating symptoms, but going to the root of the disease.
Yes.
This is, well, Western medicine is outstanding in many acute situations, but in the more chronic diseases, they are somehow blind with a second eye, and therefore it gives terrific, outstanding benefits if you combine these methods. And I didn't know that you was in the lectures in Bangkok last year.
Yes,
So you know that I, beside using herbal medicine, ideas of acupuncture, tuina, I love to combine with micronutritions. So in many situations, it's very important to combine the laser, which is yang energy, with the yin, with the substance. So main target for red infrared light laser is the mitochondria, respiratory chain, and this is copper dependent. So many of my patients I detect for copper deficiency and replacement the copper, you get an outrange of success with a laser.
Yeah. I like your approach because it's multidisciplinary. You know, you approach everything in its finest context. There is no odd man out.
Yeah.
So that's how I like the way you treat patients. No? And not only do you treat patients, you also help patients who have a stable, healthy environment to make it more optimal. That's why I love listening to your lectures, even in YouTube, and that's why I'm here right now. So
yeah, thank you very much for coming, and thank you even more for sharing ideas. And yeah, let's work on spreading these ideas for the benefit of our patients.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And thank you.
And thank you very much for being prepared to give a short interview as well.
Oh, you're very welcome, sir.
Thank you.